Hey guys, how's it going? So welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to try to improve my stream and YouTube videos quality by doing one simple thing. And that's installing this light bulb I bought at Walmart for a little under $10. So let's see if this actually helps improve anything. Okay, so typically how I do my lighting is I have Google up on that monitor there. I have Google up on this monitor over here with my streams and labs in front of it. Camera sits right on top. And then I do have a lamp right here, which I don't use often because the bulb in it is too bright. Alright, so before we open this, I guess I should go over who makes it. So this is from Mercury Innovations. And it's a smart Wi-Fi LED bulb, and they got color plus white. It's a 75 watt, and it also has an app to control pretty much all the lighting effects. Alright, there's the bulb. It's actually pretty big. Let's set that right there. Anything else? You're happy when you're happy, okay. And then the starter guide. Alright, so there's a couple other little things we need to know before we pretty much have this light bulb set up. And first, you gotta know your Wi-Fi password and your network. You gotta have an iOS 9 device or newer, or an Android 5.0 or newer for pretty much the app. And then you got to make sure your modem router is on a 2.4 gigahertz signal. And then that is your size for your light bulb, I guess. It's an E26. It looks like a normal conventional size to me. Okay, so after you pretty much install the new light bulb, you just want to make sure you download the Genie app, and then you want to do all your safety credentials and all that garbage. And then once you have an account set up, all you gotta do then is turn the light bulb on. Right now it's in connect mode, so all we want to do is add device, and right now it's actually showing it, so we're just going to add it now. I gotta add my password in real quick, so give me a second. Okay, so after you put your password in, all you gotta do now is wait for it to stop blinking at you. Alright, it stopped blinking, so that's a good sign. Alright, so that's pretty much done. And as you can see, it kicks you straight into the brightness menu, so you can turn it down or turn it up. I'm going to turn mine down to about 5%. It's bright enough for me. You can actually turn it on or off. And then they actually have a color function too. So you can go from your reds, greens, blues, purples, pinks, all those fun colors. They have a brightness here, change the brightness of the color, and then the saturation. And then it also has a scene selection too, which there is a night mode. Here's a read-in mode, a cocktail mode, a leisure, a soft, a blinking, my favorite, rainbow. There's a rave. I don't know what this one actually does. Just looks like it's blinking red. And then there is a nature. Alright, so now I pretty much have the lamp and the light bulb pretty much in the position where it would be if I'm actually doing a YouTube recording, like right now, or if I'm streaming. Most of the time while streaming, I don't really have it on, and from what I can tell, it looks a little better. I still look pretty red, but I always look red, but I guess that really can't be helped. I guess other than that, I think it looks good, so I don't know. I guess time will only tell. Alright, so that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please drop a like. And if you're new to the channel and you like what you see, please consider subscribing. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, you know where to leave them. I will also leave the product link down in the description as well. So I guess until the next one, thanks and bye.